Rhetoric doesn't change the world. It's the permanent archive of the World Quadrilateral Supreme Court of Justice under law, transformed anatomically in the Quadrilateral Subellum Corpus Colossi Adolph Maximus. In the Obama immigration transformations and denial by Supreme Court wants capitals to control through Congress, New World War, wars, machinery, Deus Ex Machinatium, Supreme Courts and administration of experts on the Supreme Court, from Vladimir Putin to Abelovsky, Getty, and etc., to modern world. Pantheismus creates fascismus. Quadrilateral local causality. The Corinthian pillars are on the Cultural Revolution, Magnus Opus, and the migration of Adolf Benza, the Stalinist revolution winner of Slavin in 1965, the prodigy painter, and paints the collateral damage of Cold War, Iraq, Iran, and modern. No modern president, Donald Rumsfeld, Donald Trump, will ever correct the incalculable transformations of the masks of fascism in the modern world. Adolf Benza is the grandeur Galleria Neue, Rotundus Universal, not CNN creates Cold War wars of tragedy, not the BBC and Saddam Hussein, Iraq, Iran tragedies. It is not a contest and a conflict between religions, machinery of anatomy and races, but it's the universal anatomy, the Apollonian metamorphosis of the Arch of Troyan of America.